So good morning students. Today we will continue the differentiation by using formula d by dx of u into v, that is a product rule. First function is constant, differentiation of second function plus second function is constant, differentiation of a first function. By using this formula we solve few more examples. That is consider example. Differentiate sin x into cos x with respect to x. So solution of this example. So here the given example sin x into cos x, it is in the form of u into v. Here our u is sin x and v is cos x. So consider it is a function, so therefore y equal to sin x into cos x. So differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x into cos x. It is a product rule. So first function is constant, that is sin x is first function, the constant, keep it as a constant, and differentiation of cos x, second function, d by dx of cos x. So plus cos x is constant and second first function differentiated d by dx of sin x, because by using this formula, so we get this one. Now simplify this one, we get sin x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x is constant cos x and differentiation of sin x is cos x. So this is equal to here minus, so minus sin x into sin x is sin square x plus cos x into cos x, cos square x, or cos square x minus sin square x. This is our solution, that is dy by dx is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Note it down. Next example, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. X square into sin x. If y is equal to x square into sin x. Okay. So solution. Find dy by dx means we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. So given y is equal to x square into sin x, and we know that differentiate both sides, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square into sin x, and we know that d by dx of u into v is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is our formula, product rule formula. So apply this one here. Comparing these two, we have u equal to x square and v equal to sin x. So this implies dy by dx is equal to x square into d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of x square. Now we have to simplify. X square, differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x, because we know that d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Comparing these two, x square, comparing these two, in place of x we have x only, and in place of n we have 2. So applying formula we get 2x. So this is equal to x square into cos x plus 2x into sin x. This is our required solution. That is dy by dx equal to x square into cos x plus 2x into sin x. Note it down. Consider next example, that is differentiate x into cos x. Consider root x into cos x. Differentiate root x into cos x with respect to x. So consider y equal to root x into cos x. Differentiating on both sides, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of root x into cos x. So we know that d by dx of u into v equal to, comparing these two, d by dx of u into v, d by dx of root x into cos x. In place of u we have root x, in place of v we have cos x. So applying formula, we get root x into d by dx of cos x plus cos x into d by dx of root x. Simplifying, we get differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x as it is cos x. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So this is our required solution. That is dy by dx is equal to cos x divided by 2 root x minus root x into sin x. Not enough. Next example, find dy by dx if y equal to root x into sin square x. In the previous example we have only root x into cos x, but here root x into sin square x. So given is, again it is also in the form of a u into v. Given is y equal to root x into sin square x. Differentiating on both sides, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of root x into sin square x. And we know that d by dx of u into v is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So comparing those two, we get here u equal to root x and v equal to sin square x. Applying formula, we get dy by dx is equal to root x into d by dx of sin square x plus sin square x is constant, keep it is constant in the second term, into d by dx of root x. And also we know that d by dx of sin u is equal to cos u into du by dx, as well as we know that d by dx of u to the power n, where u is a function of x, u to the power n is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. Now I am going to use these three formulas. First one formula we have applied. Second one, here root x as it is. Here u to the power n, it is in the form of u to the power n. So u to the power n, where u equal to sin x and n equal to 2, we get d by dx of sin square x. Differentiation of sin square x is 2 sin x. See here, 2 n into u to the power n minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore 2 into sin x into d by dx of du by dx. What is u here? Comparing these two, we have u equal to sin x. So 2 sin x into d by dx of sin x plus sin square x into differentiation of root x is, we know that 1 by 2 root x. Okay, next root x into 2 sin x and differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin square x into 1 by 2 root x. This is our required solution, or this can also be written as 2 root x into sin x cos x plus sin square x divided by 2 root x. Okay, note it down. Consider next example. Differentiate cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5. It is also a product of two functions. We have to differentiate this one with respect to x. Okay, so consider y is equal to cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5. It is given. As we know our product rule formula, d by dx of u into v equal to, here u equal to cos x cube and v equal to sin square x to the power 5. So d by dx of cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5. Very, very important. So by applying formula, we get cos x cube into d by dx of sin square x to the power 5 plus sin square x to the power 5 into d by dx of cos x cube. Applying the above formula, u into v rule, product of two functions. Here u equal to cos x cube and v equal to sin square x to the power 5. Now differentiating, we get cos x cube is constant, keep it as it is. Sin square x to the power 5. Here u to the power n formula, we know that that is if d by dx of u to the power n is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. Here our u equal to sin x to the power 5 and n equal to 2. Comparing these two, we have u equal to sin x to the power 5 and n equal to 2. Okay, so differentiating this one, n into u to the power n minus 1, 2 into, because n equal to 2 here, 2 into sin 2 minus 1, sin to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. So sin x to the power 5 into d by dx of our u is sin x to the power 5 because du by dx is there. So sin x to the power 5 plus second term sin square x to the power 5 as it is into cos x cube. Cos differentiation is minus sin x cube into d by dx of cos d by dx of x cube, because we have d by dx of cos u is equal to minus sin u into du by dx. Here u equal to x cube and cos is cos. So therefore cos differentiation is a minus sin u minus sin x cube into d by dx of a du by dx, that is u equal to x cube. So therefore x cube. Now differentiate. Again one more step. So cos x cube into 2 into sin x to the power 5. Sin x to the power 5. Sin differentiation is a cos x to the power 5 into d by dx of x to the power 5. Because in this function, again I am going to use one more formula, that is d by dx of a sin u. Sin u equal to cos u into du by dx. Now compare these two, this one and this one. In place of u, we have x to the power 5. So sin differentiation is cos, that is cos u, cos x to the power 5 into du by dx. So therefore d by dx of x to the power 5 plus sin square x to the power 5 minus, so minus into plus is minus, so minus sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube into differentiation of x cube, that is d by dx of x to the power n formula, that is n into x to the power n minus 1. So n into x to the power n minus 1 formula applied, we get 3x square, because 3 minus 1 is 2, so 3 into x square. So this implies this equal to cos x cube into 2 sin x to the power 5 cos x to the power 5. Again x to the power n formula apply, we get x to the power 5, that is 5 into x to the power 4. This is the differentiation of x to the power 5 minus 3x square into sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube. Just arrangement here. See here, we have 2 and 5. 2 into 5 equal to 10. That is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2 into 5, 10. So 10 x to the power 4, 10 x to the power 4 into cos x cube into sin x to the power 5, sin x to the power 5 into cos x to the power 5. Next, minus 3x square sin square x to the power 5, 3x square into sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube. This is our required solution. Very important, note it down.